Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical and Electronics Knowledge. So in this video you learn how to make easy hand touch switch circuit using 555 IC. So let's start this video. For this project we need one 555 IC, some jumper wires, one LED, 220 ohm resistor and a 9 volt battery and a breadboard. So let's make it. At first I put the IC on the breadboard like this. You can see this is IC's 1, 2, 3, 4 number pin, and on this side it is 5, 6, 7, 8 number pin. Now I take a jumper wire and connect it IC pin number 4 to the 8. Now I take this LED and put it on the breadboard like this and connect its positive pin to the IC's pin number 3. Now I take these 220 ohm resistors and connect this resistor to LED's negative pin and connect with IC's pin number 1. Now I connect the two jumper wires with IC pin number 1 and 2. These wires for the touch sensor. Now I take another two jumper wires and similarly connect the jumper wires with IC pin number 6 and 8. This is also for touch sensor. Now at last I take a 9 volt battery and connect battery positive pin to the IC's pin number 8 and connect battery negative pin to the IC pin number 1. So our project is ready. Now let's check it. So you can see when I touch these wires the light is on, and when I touch these wires the light is off. So friends, I hope you learn how to make this project. And friends, if you like my video, hit the like button and share this video to your friends. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below.